shook. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian. Shook. See, we be making love constantly. That's why my eyes are shade. Blood burning. The way that we kiss is unlike any other.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well on today. In today's video, I have the pleasure of working with Ashimary Hair. I want to thank them so much for sending me out this wig to try. They sent me out their 13x6 full transparent HD lace frontal wig. This is their Jerry curly texture. I have it in a 28 inch and the density is 250% density. This wig does again come with the 13x6 lace frontal, so you get plenty of parting space. And I did a middle part for my style, so you'll be able to see like how far back the parting goes. I love that. Also, when it comes to the hairline on this wig, the hairline is their new 3D lace shape hairline. The hairline is supposed to fit better for everybody's hairline shape, if you will. So for those that have low hairlines like mine, this wig is great for you. I did not have to do any extra customizing to the front like I normally will to help it fit to my hairline. So yeah, if you have a low hairline, this is a great wig for you. The lace on this wig is their crystal Swiss lace. So it's perfect for melting, and I can agree to that as well. The lace is very thin and it does melt in really great. As you can see, I use hairspray to melt my wig down. If you use glue, you're going to get an even better melt. But yeah, the lace is very nice, very soft, very thin. And lastly, I did want to mention that this wig does come with small knots. So when it comes to bleaching, your knots will bleach great the first time around. And I did bleach my knots and the knots bleach perfectly. But yes, y'all, so my final thoughts on this wig. I loved this wig so much. It was absolutely gorgeous. Again, this is a 13x6 lace frontal wig. I know I've said that plenty of times in this video, but I can't stress it enough because you just get so much parting space, so it makes your wigs look even more natural because you can just go further back with your parting. Love that. I love the length of the wig, y'all. Like, I haven't really had a long length wig in a long time. Well, I've had some long lengths, but like past 26 inches, so and curly at that. So y'all, this is a 28 inch. It's super long for this hair to be a Jerry curly texture. Like, it was hitting like the top of my butt, and I'm 5'8", so I'm a tall girl. And for it to come that long with it being curly and a 28 inch, yes ma'am. Like, I honestly feel like it's longer than a 28 inch stretched out. Like, it's giving like 30, 32 if you stretch the hair, or you was to straighten the hair out. So super long, y'all. And then on top of that, I got a 250% density. And babe, the fullness of this wig, oh my god, y'all, like, the finished look of this wig was giving everything that embodies me. Like, when it comes to hair and just what I love, it was just everything I needed and more. Okay, so yeah, love this wig. I have no issues with this wig. Even when it came to me detangling my hair and defining my curls, shedding was very minimal. Tangling, very minimal. Bleaching my knots, as I said, they bleach perfectly. Like, Ashimary, I've worked with them a few times, and every time I work with them, it's a pleasure. It's a great experience. So yeah, y'all, if you all are interested in this company or this wig, or if you're looking for some good quality hair, definitely be sure to check out Ashimary Hair. I don't think you will regret it. Tell them I sent you. I have all of the information for the company and the wig again, and I have all of the specs for everything in my description box. Okay, so I'm gonna stop blabbering. I hope you all enjoy the rest of the video. Ashimary Hair, again, I want to thank y'all so much for allowing me to try out this beautiful wig. It was gorgeous, y'all. Like, just beautiful, just breathtaking. Like my breath was really taking the. I can't even talk. Y'all hear how speechless I am? I'm just stuttering. So yeah, love the wig, love the wig. Okay, so I'm gonna get out of here. Love y'all so much. I'll talk to you guys later.
Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off the love, don't know how to behave.